right, here we are. We're getting ready to go. Packed up with a load of stuff. It doesn't look like much, but there's a blanket covering a whole slew of computers in there. We go around the other side. We have the CRTs buckled up. And we just have a few more things left to put in here. Stopping at a gas station, refuel. Middle of nowhere, Indiana. On our way to VCF Midwest. Middle of nowhere, Indiana. Here we are in Chicago. We're on our way to Schaumburg for VCF Midwest. Getting close, about half hour out. After arriving, walked on in to see this amazingly huge, enormous exhibition hall set up with tons of tables. Right, so the first thing you need to do is just figure out where your table is. Here I am after having set everything up, getting some things on the screen, testing out the computers, and then me with a lot of Ultima on the screen. As you can see, I'm a little pooped. It was a lot of time setting things up, but I felt good about it. And then after this, I had the chance to kind of just wander around a little bit and see what was going on. This is a really good opportunity before things got too crazy and too hectic later on when the public starts coming in. Able to see a Stacy, and people who stopped by my table said, "Hey, you're an Atari ST guy? I saw a Stacy." So got to go over and take a look at the Stacy. This was one of the many vendors that was here selling various different cool retro equipment and such. I love these joysticks so much, I picked up one for myself. All right, this exhibit was near mine. Super cool Atari display cabinet. Absolutely amazing.
I actually had the ability to load in stuff through its cassette tape interface and got it to play some of its store-bought programs.
This keyboard for the Atari 2600 was so cool. Thinking about programming in BASIC on an Atari 2600 just made me smile. And here's the hotel. Nice atrium area. Pretty cool. All right, it's been a long day. It's been fantastic. It was really, really cool seeing the floor and seeing it packed to the brim with amazing vintage computing stuff. Stuff that I had never seen before. Amazing things. So, interesting point is apparently there are 3 Atari Falcons there this year. That's something that everyone seemed to comment when they came and saw my Falcon. Oh, hey, there's another Falcon over here. Everyone said, oh, there's one more. After talking to a bunch of folks and actually seeing them, there are actually 3 Falcons, which is actually so cool. So cool. Talking to the exhibitors, it was really fun to kind of just get to know them. The folks around me, I'm kind of the Atari section of the room. There is so much stuff. I mean, the ballroom that they are using, or whatever, the exhibition hall, is enormous. It's absolutely gigantic. So this is going to be fun. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be able to record some video without looking too creepy or weird. All right. Tomorrow it is. Really nice hotel. The Renaissance here in Schaumburg. Oh, not Schaumburg, Ohio, but Schaumburg, Illinois, outside of Chicago. VCF Midwest. This is the exhibition hall. It's gigantic. Super cool. Ready for day number 2. Or day 1, really. Just opening up to the public. Cool soldering station.
have had a table though. So it's a little harder.
It's a great price. Amazing price.
I feel like that should be. You gotta get your badge a couple months earlier. But
Excuse me. How much were these sold?
started from 2013 to 2022. Wow. Yeah, it's a pretty long stretch. Yeah. Oh, you did it. Yay, your turn.
One of the cool things about VCF is the free pile. And in that upper right corner, that is the desktop I brought home because it's the only one that didn't look like trash. This display highlighted the first of the GUI computers, and he had a number of different systems here, one of which was an Atari 520 ST. However, he couldn't get it to start working properly, and so I was able to help him out with a video adapter as well as with an external GoTech. So was able to help him get running there. As he was showcasing, that same gentleman was showcasing the various different GUIs on the far left. What do you see here? You see a PC with Gem running on the desktop. Very cool. That's the first time I've seen Gem on a PC in person myself.
What you thought was the regular stuff is now the
No, the super special stuff, yeah. It's all just depends, right? I got this awesome +4. This is the lovely replica mechanical keyboard. No, yeah, it's all good. You can. I'll probably do a voiceover on it at some point, but the XEL, yes. Now, this is the very first Lisa I've been able to see in person. Pretty cool. Mr. Bad Wolf, we got another home for this lovely DFB1. And here is VCF Midwest closing down for the night. You can see the various different displays being covered up and getting ready for the next day. It was a fantastic 2 days. I didn't really do much today other than pack up and get ready to come back here to back home because I got to get to work tomorrow. But it was awesome. It was a fantastic experience, first and foremost, just to be there. It was enormous. There were so many people, so many exhibits that the excitement was palpable. It was just fantastic. An amazing energy there. A lot of people, and really, it was a good group of folks. So fantastic interactions all around. Talking about the Ataris, talking about other folks, various different systems ranging from Osbornes to Amigas to Commodores to a real Commodore 65. Actual original real one there. That was so cool. See, a little piece of history. So the person that was displaying it said, "You can go ahead and touch it." And I was like, "I don't think I can." Don't want to touch that. I don't want to risk damaging a piece of history. But this is just, in addition to the quote unquote famous YouTubers, they're just normal people. It was great folks. It was a good experience all around. Especially, the most fun part for me was actually meeting the folks, the Atari community that was there, and talking to you. Some of you were viewers of the channel. Thank you for coming by and saying hello. It really warmed my heart, and it was fun to meet you in person, especially those of you who've commented on my videos or sent me emails before in the past. Thank you. Thank you very much. It was really awesome to connect with you all. All right. Would I change what I did? Yes, I would. Learned a lot. I wouldn't take as much stuff there. Be a little more focused in what I share specifically, just to be, rather than bouncing back and forth between different computers, it might be nicer to just kind of have a more focused display. Additionally, everyone asked if I had something to sell. I had hardly anything to sell because I really wasn't planning on selling things. But given the interest in the Atari ST, it was actually something I need to be more thoughtful of and just make certain I have some stuff to not just display, but also spread the awesomeness. All right. Thank you for watching. And hopefully I'll see some of you at the next VCF event. Bye.